Welcome to your daily dose of Carolina Bays. This LiDAR image from Syntos.org shows a large cluster of overlapping Carolina bays that are located about 6 kilometers northeast of Maxton, North Carolina, between the Lumber River and the Gum Swamp. There are some Aeolian sand sheets to the east of the Lumber River. Some sand sheets overlay the bays and some bays overlay the sand sheets. This indicates that there were strong winds associated with the creation of the Carolina bays. The image shows a large distortion at the point where the large basin contacts a smaller basin. Projectiles launched in ballistic trajectories at different angles, but in the same direction and at the same distance, will produce overlapping craters. The sequence of impacts can be deduced from the geological law of superposition, which states that younger stratigraphic layers are deposited on top of older layers. The flight time of the ice boulders that made the Carolina bays was about 6 to 9 minutes. The numbers in this image represent the approximate sequence in which these overlapping Carolina bays were made. A basin that overlays another one was made later in time. All these impacts occurred within a few seconds of each other. From the ballistic equations and the distances involved, we can calculate that the secondary impacts happened from 6 to 9 minutes after the extraterrestrial impact on the Laurentide ice sheet by the Great Lakes. The next episode has a surprise.